It's 11:30 at the Waterfall bar. The man at the center of your screen is one Brian Higgins. The surveillance camera detects the infrared light emitted by his iPhone's true-depth camera, which is used for Face ID. This is Officer John O'Keefe. He would be nearly dead in under an hour, sustaining fatal injuries that the most credentialed experts determined were not from a vehicle. Across the table is Karen Reed. She is the girlfriend of John O'Keefe, and also the woman that Brian Higgins has been obsessed with for weeks up until this point. However, she's been ignoring him, and he wants to know where they stand. Both Brian Higgins and Brian Albert have been drinking all day long. Higgins keeps looking at Karen Reed, and at 11:32 he can't take it anymore. He gives in to temptation. He removes his phone from his pocket and sends her a text message. In his whiskey-fueled, intoxicated state, he types out, well, and presses send. It doesn't matter that John O'Keefe is standing right there, a few feet away from him. Higgins is determined to get some kind of reaction from the woman he desires, whatever the consequences may be. From this point forward, Higgins can be seen frequently checking his phone, presumably awaiting Karen's response. But that response would never come, surely adding to his humiliation and anger. You all remember this short video we released last week showing Chris forcibly grabbing Higgins by the arm. I've played it over and over and over again, trying to determine what exactly is happening. One thing is clear. These three men have prior knowledge of something related to John O'Keefe's future. I wanted to see John's reaction to the Bryans taunting more clearly. He comments, then gestures, referring to the exchange. In 3, 2, 1. And then is called by the bartender to sign the check. But if Chris and the Bryans had prior knowledge, when did they discuss it? To try to find the answer to that question, I went back to look again. And 10 minutes earlier, this happened. The three men's body language changes. They speak closely and glance towards John and Karen, smirking. Then moving closer, discussing something privately.